Haul in danger. What's the big deal with hazmat? We're talking about stuff that could blow up, catch fire, or poison you. These materials are not just dangerous, they can be deadly. The risks involved in transporting hazardous materials are immense, and the consequences of mishandling them can be catastrophic. Think gasoline, chemicals, even radioactive waste. These are substances that play a crucial role in our daily lives, from fueling our cars to powering industries, and even in medical applications. But their transportation is a high-stakes game. This stuff is essential, but it's got to be moved carefully. The logistics involved are complex, requiring meticulous planning and execution. Every step, from loading to unloading, must be done with precision to avoid any mishaps. That's where hazmat transportation comes in. Specialized vehicles and trained personnel are dedicated to this task, ensuring that these dangerous goods are transported safely. These professionals undergo rigorous training to handle the materials and respond to emergencies. These guys are the unsung heroes of the road, making sure this stuff gets where it needs to go without incident. They navigate through various terrains and weather conditions, always on high alert to prevent any accidents. It's a tough job with a lot of responsibility. The pressure is immense, knowing that one small mistake could lead to a disaster. These workers are constantly vigilant, checking and rechecking their equipment and procedures. One mistake could be disastrous. An accident involving hazardous materials can lead to explosions, fires, or toxic spills, endangering lives and the environment. The aftermath of such incidents can be long-lasting and devastating. That's why we're always looking for ways to make it safer. Continuous training, safety drills, and stringent regulations are in place to minimize risks. The industry is always evolving, adopting new safety measures and technologies, and that's where technology comes in. Innovations in technology are revolutionizing hazmat transportation, making it safer and more efficient. From advanced tracking systems to automated safety checks, technology is a game changer. GPS and electronic monitors are changing the game, making hazmat transportation safer and more efficient than ever before. These systems provide real-time data, allowing for better route planning and immediate response to any issues. The future of hazmat transportation is bright, with technology paving the way for safer roads and a safer world. GPS, not just for finding your way around anymore. We all know GPS helps us get from point A to point B, but for hazmat transportation it's a whole lot more than that. We're talking about real-time tracking, route optimization, and even emergency response. This ain't your grandpa's GPS. With GPS we know exactly where every truckload of hazmat is at all times. That means we can keep a close eye on things and make sure everything's running smoothly. Tracking the danger. How GPS keeps tabs on hazmat. Imagine a map with little icons representing every truck carrying hazmat. These icons aren't just static, they move in real time, showing the exact location of each vehicle. This dynamic tracking is made possible by GPS technology, which has revolutionized the way we monitor hazardous materials on the move. That's what GPS allows us to do. By equipping trucks with GPS devices, we can keep a constant eye on their whereabouts. This isn't just about knowing where a truck is, it's about understanding its journey, its speed, and its route. The data collected is invaluable for ensuring the safety and efficiency of hazmat transportation. We can see where they are, where they're going, and how fast they're moving. This real-time data is displayed on screens in control rooms, where teams of experts monitor the progress of each truck. They can see if a truck is on schedule, if it's taking a detour, or if it's stuck in traffic. This level of visibility is crucial for managing the risks associated with transporting hazardous materials. This information is crucial for a few reasons. First and foremost, it enhances safety. By knowing the exact location of each truck, we can ensure that they are following the safest routes. This is particularly important when transporting dangerous goods that could pose a risk to public health and safety. First, it helps us plan the safest and most efficient routes. Route planning is a complex task that involves considering various factors such as road conditions, traffic patterns, and potential hazards. With GPS data, we can optimize routes to avoid congested areas, roadworks, and other obstacles that could delay the delivery or increase the risk of an accident. We can avoid areas with heavy traffic, schools, or hospitals. These are sensitive areas where an accident involving hazardous materials could have severe consequences. By steering clear of such zones, we minimize the risk to the public and ensure that the transportation of hazmat is as safe as possible. Second, it allows us to respond quickly in case of an emergency. Emergencies can happen at any time, and when they do, every second counts. With GPS tracking, we can pinpoint the exact location of a truck in distress and dispatch help immediately. This rapid response capability can make a significant difference in mitigating the impact of an incident. If a truck breaks down or there's an accident, we know exactly where it is and can send help right away. This not only helps in resolving the issue quickly, but also ensures that the hazardous materials are handled safely and securely. The ability to respond promptly can prevent minor issues from escalating into major incidents. No more guessing games, just quick action. The integration of GPS technology into hazmat transportation has transformed the way we manage and mitigate risks. It provides a level of control and oversight that was previously unimaginable, ensuring that hazardous materials are transported safely and efficiently from point A to point B. Electronic escorts, like a guardian angel for hazmat trucks. Sometimes hazmat shipments need an extra layer of protection. That's where electronic escorts come in. These are vehicles equipped with GPS and communication systems that travel alongside hazmat trucks. They act as a mobile command center, providing an extra set of eyes and ears on the road. Electronic escorts can communicate with the truck driver, monitor the shipment's progress, and alert authorities in case of an incident. They're like having a guardian angel riding shotgun. Imagine the vast network of roads and highways that crisscross our country. Each day, countless hazmat trucks navigate these routes, carrying materials that are essential but potentially dangerous. The stakes are high. A single mishap could lead to catastrophic consequences, not just for the driver, but for the environment and communities along the route. That's why the role of electronic escorts is so crucial. They provide real-time data and situational awareness, ensuring that any potential issues are identified and addressed promptly. In the control rooms, teams of experts keep a vigilant watch, analyzing data and coordinating with the escort vehicles. It's a seamless integration of technology and human expertise. The GPS systems in these escorts are state-of-the-art, offering precise location tracking and route optimization. This ensures that the hazmat trucks take the safest and most efficient paths. Communication is key. The escort vehicles maintain constant contact with the hazmat truck drivers, providing updates and instructions as needed. This two-way communication is vital for maintaining safety and efficiency. Even during the night when visibility is low, these electronic escorts are on the job. Their advanced lighting and monitoring systems ensure that the hazmat trucks are always visible and under surveillance. The drivers of these escort vehicles are highly trained professionals. They undergo rigorous training to handle any situation that might arise on the road. From emergency response drills to advanced driving techniques, these drivers are prepared for anything. Their expertise is a critical component of the safety net that electronic escorts provide. As hazmat trucks enter urban areas, the role of electronic escorts becomes even more important. The dense traffic and numerous potential hazards require heightened vigilance and coordination. The escort vehicles navigate through the city streets, ensuring that the hazmat trucks reach their destinations safely. Their presence is a reassuring sight for both the truck drivers and the public. When the hazmat truck finally arrives at its destination, the electronic escort's job is done. But their mission of ensuring safety and security on the road continues, one shipment at a time. They're the unsung heroes of the highways, the guardian angels for hazmat trucks, ensuring that every journey is a safe one. So the next time you see a hazmat truck on the road, remember the electronic escorts working tirelessly to keep us all safe. Like a guardian angel for hazmat trucks. Section 5. Safety first. How tech makes hazmat transport safer. At the end of the day, it's all about safety. GPS and electronic monitors are making hazmat transportation safer than ever before. They help us prevent accidents, respond quickly to incidents, and keep a close eye on these dangerous materials, and that's not all. These technologies also help us comply with regulations, keep better records, and even reduce our environmental impact. It's a win-win for everyone. Section 6. The future of hazmat. What's next for Hall and Danger? The future of hazmat transportation is looking pretty high-tech. We're talking about autonomous trucks, drone deliveries, and even more advanced monitoring systems. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize the industry, making it even safer and more efficient. It's an exciting time to be in the hazmat business. Section 7. Getting smart. Why training matters for hazmat tech. All this technology is great, but it's only as good as the people using it. That's why training is more important than ever. We gotta make sure drivers, dispatchers, and emergency responders know how to use these tools effectively. With the right training, we can harness the power of technology to make hazmat transportation safer for everyone. Section 8. Wrapping it up. GPS and electronic monitors are changing the game. GPS and electronic monitors are transforming the way we transport hazardous materials. These technologies are making the industry safer, more efficient, and more accountable. It's a win for the industry, a win for the public, and a win for the environment. And that's something we can all be proud of.